When the pipes start to moan and the water's all gone, you know it's time for Aaron and Zach to respond. With tools in hand, they're the kings of the scene, fixing leaks and clogs, they're the plumbing machine. Sewer walls can't hold them back, they'll be there in a flash, ready to attack. Crap happens, but don't lose your mind. Aaron and Zach, they're the best you'll find. Plumbing problems vanish with every swoon. These hometown heroes, they're the ultimate truth.